Open houses sell homes, or do they? We think about hosting an open house. We think that it's a secret weapon to getting your home sold fast. You might be surprised what I'm about to share with you, okay? So I'm Jason Gelios, Michigan Realtor, and today we're breaking down one of the biggest myths in real estate, and that's whether or not open houses actually sell houses, or if they're just a tradition that's stuck around, okay? So the common belief, okay, let's start with the assumption. Most people believe open houses attract serious buyers. They create buzz and they lead to offers. It sounds logical, right? You have an open house and people attend and they have interest and they write offers on your home. You open the doors, right? People walk in, they fall in love. Your home is sold. But that's not usually what happens, and that's not how it works, okay? In reality, only a small percentage of homes are actually sold because of an open house. Most buyers today find homes online, they schedule private showings with an agent, and they make decisions before ever stepping into an open house. Open houses do tend to attract curious neighbors, casual lookers, and people early in the buying process. Many people who aren't even pre-approved for a mortgage. So they're not necessarily serious, ready to write and offer buyers. That's what open houses typically attract. Now, why do agents still do them? Well, you might be wondering, if open houses don't sell homes, why do agents keep on doing them? It's simple. They still have some value, okay? Open houses can actually increase exposure for your property. It can create a sense of activity, and it can give buyers easy access without scheduling a showing with an agent, okay? And yes, sometimes they do lead to the right buyer. It's just not the primary way that homes are sold. It's just not. Especially, now that there's online websites and the MLS and things like that, okay? So let's look at the bigger picture. So the truth is, homes sell because of 4 reasons. 1, a strong online marketing presence. 2, professional photos and video. 3, proper pricing, which actually should be number 1. And number 4, targeted exposure to serious buyers. An open house is just one small piece of a much bigger strategy. So when do open houses make sense? Well, let's see here. So open houses can still be effective in certain situations. Here's 3. In a hot market, for highly desirable homes, think, new builds, right? Or during the first weekend on the market to build momentum, okay? That can also help as well. But relying on them alone, that's not the right move, okay? So in closing, do open houses sell homes? Sometimes, a little bit, okay? They're not the magic bullet that people think they are. If you're thinking about selling your home and want a strategy that actually works, make sure you're focusing on what really drives sales. I hope you found this episode valuable. Share your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you guys on the next one.